What's going on, guys? Marcus Czar here. So I just want to give you guys an updated video on the Binance Dex simulated trading. As you guys can see here where my mouse is at, this competition ends in 3 days. I've been doing the competition, on and off, not straightforward like I wanted to. Like I said, I've been having a lot of stuff going on as well, but I've been able to trade enough where I have actually grown my account, right? So if you guys want to click on this, it's going to open up. I already have the page open up, so it's pretty much shows you what's going on with this competition. I definitely recommend you trade on here because everything is tax free, because everything is pretty much fake. And then pretty much you just get better as a trader. You get to test your ideas, see what works, see what doesn't work, and test it in the real world, right? So pretty much BNB on this decentralized exchange gave me 200 virtual TESTNET BNB tokens. So I got 200 BNB tokens in my decentralized exchange account. As you guys can see here, this is the DEX. As I go hit on start trading, I should be logged in already, which I am. So this is what the DEX looks like. It looks different from the actual Binance exchange, right? So if you guys are not familiar how decentralized exchanges looks, it looks pretty kind of different. It's pretty much want to say like not beginners friendly. It's more like kind of advanced, but definitely if you look at this exchange, you definitely get the hang of it. And the more time, the more practice you do, you definitely will get familiar with the decentralized exchange here on Binance. So as you guys can see, this is what it looks like. This is the layout. So if I go to my balance, I'm actually going to show you guys that I actually grew my account, right? My account is at $35,733, right? That's 8.94 Bitcoin worth of, Bitcoin, right? But I don't have Bitcoin, right? That's just the worth of what my account is estimated to be in Bitcoin, because everything's pretty much in Bitcoin. But look at my BNB balance right here, which is the Binance Chain Native token. I have 2,032.1852056 BNB. So as you guys can see, clearly I grew it from 200 to 2,000, right? So definitely big gains here. So when they gave me my BNB 200 BNB testnet virtual tokens, it was worth that about 4,000, right? So $4,000 to, as you guys can see here, my account at 35,733.55 cents, right? So actually I did a lot of good trades in that small time window with this one token. I forgot the name was it, what it was, but it had a great volume, and pretty much I was just milking it, right? I had this trading idea, I had this strategy I wanted to test, and it clearly worked. From my account going from 4,000 to 35,000, so that's about $31,000 in profit, right? Right there. So I just want to give you guys an update what's been going on. Definitely recommend you guys get started. You still have 3 days left to trade, to get better as a trader. Just to have fun, pretty much, just to experience, using, a decentralized exchange, different from, the regular exchange on Binance. So everything's below as far as the links where you get set up, as far as setting up a regular Binance account or setting up the link for the Binance decentralized trading competition, which you still have plenty of time just to test your ideas and get better. So with that said, guys, I'm gonna have the video at the end of this video as well, how I set everything up, so you guys can actually watch the video. But all my social media links is below as well.